This question, given that the coordinate of the point P and Q are given here, find the coordinate of the point R. So two points P and Q are given here. So this is P, this is P, and this is Q. Okay, so let me write P over here, minus 2 comma 6, and Q is over here, which is 9 comma 3. And now we have to find R. So if that R is not given, so suppose the coordinate of R, they are x comma y. Okay, now read the next line. R lies on the y-axis. So do you know that any point which is on the y-axis, let me give you an example. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what are the coordinate of this point? The coordinate of this point is 0 comma 3. And what about this point? 0 comma 4. And similarly, the coordinate of this point is 0 comma 1. Now you have observed the pattern that the point which is on the y-axis, its x coordinate is 0. The first coordinate is 0. Okay, so let's use this idea. So in this way, as R lies on the y-axis, so therefore the first coordinate of R will be 0. So the R will be 0 comma y. Okay, so now the next information is that PR is equal to QR. What does it mean? It means that, let me write R here as well. That is 0 comma y. And now I will write this information. PR is equal to QR. PR mean the length of PR, the length of line segment PR is equal to length of line segment QR. Okay, so how to find the length of PR? So I will find the length of PR. So let me call this x1, y1, it is x2 and y2. So using the length formula, so the formula is, this is the formula of length, x2 minus x1. So x2 is 0, minus into minus 2, plus y2, which is y, y2 is y, and y1 is 6, minus 6, square, equal to, what is the length of QR? This is QR, this is QR. So let me call it is x1, y1, and x2 and y2. For QR, the x2 is 9, minus x1 is 0, whole square, and y2 is 3, and y1 is here y2 is, y1 is y, okay, this y. So this is for length QR, okay, the QR. Now just simplify. So this minus minus plus, there is a square on it. So plus 2 square, y minus 6 whole square is equal to 9 minus 0 is 9. It is 9 square plus 3 minus y whole square. Okay, so as there is a square root on both sides, so I will take square on both sides. I will take square on both sides so that square root will be finished. Cancelled. This whole square root will be cancelled. So this 2 square is 4 plus y minus 6 whole square, and this is cancelled. 9 square is 81 plus 3 minus y whole square. Okay, now square root is cancelled now. So now I will apply here identity. If you know the identity, that's fine. If you don't know the identity, then use this formula. Y minus 6 times y minus 6 is equal to 81 plus 3 minus y whole square mean 3 minus y, multiply 3 minus y. You can also use identity here. So just expand it. Now expand this. So use expansion. Y square minus 6y minus 6y plus 36. And here 81. Now expand this. 3 3s are 9 minus 3y minus 3y minus y plus y square. Now आप देखिए यहाँ पर इसको थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं यहाँ से. तो एक बात याद रखें कि देखिए यहाँ से ये इस तरफ भी y स्क्वायर है इक्वेशन के, और इधर भी y स्क्वायर है. अगर दोनों तरफ इक्वेशन के दोनों तरफ सेम टर्म हो तो कैंसल आउट. ओके, दे विल कैंसल आउट. अब यहाँ पर क्या है, लुक दिस इज 4 और ये 36, तो इट विल बी 40. यहाँ लिख देता हूँ 40. और माइनस 6y और माइनस 6y माइनस 12y. ओके, सो आप चलते हैं राइट साइड पे. 81 प्लस 9 90 और माइनस 3y और माइनस 3y माइनस 6y. आप क्या करें, इस माइनस 12y को इधर शिफ्ट कर दें और 90 को उधर ले जाएं. तो ये 12y इधर आएगा पॉजिटिव 12y, और माइनस 6y, ये माइनस 6y पहले ही यहीं पर था. अब ये 40 है, और जब 90 इधर आ जाएगा तो माइनस 90. ये जो हो जाएगा 6y, और ये क्या हो जाएगा 40 में से 90 माइनस 50, और y हो जाएगा माइनस 50 over 6. So that is y is minus 8.33 minus 8.33. So the point, तो r हमारे पास क्या आ गया, r क्या है, r का पहला कोऑर्डिनेट 0 था और सेकंड y, तो y हमारे पास आ गया माइनस 8.33. A line segment has two endpoints, M and N. Find the coordinate of the point W that lies on the y-axis and such that W is equidistant from M and from N. What does equidistant mean? Equidistant mean the distance of W from M and the distance of W from N, it is equal. So the distance of W from N and the distance of W from M, it is equal. So let me write M here. This is M, 3,7, and this is N, which is 11, minus 6. Okay, and we have to find the W. Suppose, let me suppose W. Suppose W is X, Y. Okay, and you can see here W lies on the Y axis. We have just learned that any point which is on the Y axis, its first coordinate is 0. So W will be 0, Y. Why it is 0? Why the first coordinate is 0? Because W lies on the Y axis. This is on the Y axis. That's why its first coordinate is 0. Okay. And the second, look here, such that W is equidistant from M and Y. So suppose W is over here. Suppose W is over here. This is W. And let me call W here. And the coordinate of W is 0, Y. And we know that this is the line segment M and N. This is the line segment M and N. And the distance of W is from M. And the distance of W from N, it is equal distance. Because it is given in the question. W is equidistant from M and from N. So it is equal. So let me take the distance first from W and M. So in this case, this is X1, this is Y1, and let me call this X2 and Y2. Now plug in, I will find this distance using the distance formula. So the formula is square root, and this is Mn. I am calculating Mn. Okay. So it is X2, which is 0, minus X1, 3. And Y2 is Y minus 7 whole square. And now I will get this distance is equal to this one according to the question. So MW, it was MW. MW is equal to NW. Okay, now I will calculate NW now. So now I will call this X1, Y1, this is X2 and Y2. Okay, so what is X2 here? It is 11 minus 0 plus minus 6 minus 1 whole square. So again, the distance between W and M, or MW, is equal to NW. These two distances are equal distance. Okay, so I have just calculated over here. They are equal. So now simplification. 0 minus 3 is minus 3, or minus 3 ka square is plus 9. It is 9, and it is Y minus 7 whole square. It is 11 minus 0 is 11, and 11 square is 121, plus minus 6 minus Y whole square. Now I will take the square of both sides. Take the square of roots of both, take the square of both sides. This square and this square root will be cancelled out. and this square will be cancelled out with this square root. Okay, now I will expand. It is 9. Now I will expand this. Y minus 7 square mean y minus 7 into y minus 7. Okay, equal to 121 minus 6 minus y multiply minus 6 minus y. Okay, आप इसको ओपन कर दो. 9, it will become y square minus 7y plus 49 equal to 121 minus, so because there is a negative sign here, so I will use bracket. Still I will take the bracket. Okay, so first of all, minus 6 will multiply this minus, it will become plus 36, and then minus 6 into this minus y will become plus 6y, minus 6y with this minus 6y will become plus 6y, minus y into minus y plus y square. This 49 and this 9 add up, it will become 58 plus y square minus 7 and minus 7 minus 14y, and in this side I will open the bracket. So as there is a negative sign, so sign inside will change. 36 minus 6y minus 6y minus y square. I think I did some mistake here. Look here. It was plus sign here, and it should be plus sign here. It should be plus sign here. Plus sign. So as there is a plus sign, though their sign will not change. Plus, 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 and plus. Okay. Now 121 plus 36 will become 751. 157. 6y plus 6y is 12y and plus y square. And as we know that if there is a same term on both sides of the equation, they will be cancelled out. This y square will be cancelled out with this y square. Now we have 58 minus 14y equal to, on the other side, 157 plus 12y. Okay, bring this 14y over here. So 12y minus, it is become plus 14y, and bring this over here. It will be 58 minus 157. So it is 12, 12, 24, 26y. It is just take the minus here, 57, and one more, 99, minus 99. So y is minus 99 over 26. So now let's use the calculator and you can find. So find the answer in decimal. So we have found this w. The w was 0, comma y. Now the w is 0, comma y. Y is, we have found y, which is minus 99 over 26. Now you can simplify, and you can also write a decimal number here.